Show me what you got!
Oh no, Rick! The Cromulons are back
Oh, well,
again!
Morty, that's uncanny. It's almost as if too pathetic you two guys decided to make their musical tribute to Rick and Morty's adventures, and they couldn't think of a more original way to start this song.
What are you talking about?
Never mind.
It doesn't make
Morty
any
and his evil
sense!
ass back in the hizzy! Oh my good luck! Oh my good luck! Put your hands in the air!
This is happening!
Morty, drop me a fat bee!
Okay, Rick!
Representing Earth D-137. You won't get a better Rick Sanchez in any dimension.
Arrest him. He's got a rap sheet of galactic offenses.
None of it for sexual. Everybody consented. I get up in the morning, pull my Morty out of bed.
Time for another demented adventure again! Every time we come this close to ending up dead! Remember when we buried ourselves? That messed with my head!
Yep, that was dark. It's in the past though, Morty. I'm gonna have to ask you to put this in your asshole shortly.
No way! I was a victim of a jelly bean predator!
Think of this way, Morty. You're just building more character.
Beth, let's be serious. Your father's off his rocker.
I've got no regrets, Jerry. But I can't speak for my daughter.
Oh my god, this family's such an embarrassment.
Nobody asked you, Summer. Come back when you become relevant.
You have the formula for dark matter. Hand it to me.
Check between my ass cheeks if you want the recipe. Shock you like a mind fuck. Call it Inception, just like Scary Terry.
I'm all up in your head, bitch!
Oh, hi, Jessica!
Morty, ignore that chick. You know, human females only have 3 orifices.
Why would anyone ever need any more than that, Rick?
Morty, trust me, you're gonna get bored of that quick.
Got some more of that core shit.
Get shreddy. Get shreddy.
I gotta go to school, Rick. That's what my parents say.
Shut up, Morty. You don't have any friends there anyway.
Well, at least when I had a kid, I stuck around.
You raised them really well. You destroyed the whole fucking town. A sex bot, Morty. That's the best you can do. You needed me to get Jessica interested in you.
Well, don't forget, you couldn't make it work out with Unity. Sounds like a job for Mr. Meeseeks.
Look at me.
I'm fed up with always getting taken for granted. I should have killed your ass at the festival back on Bird Planet.
Whoa, Morty. I'm impressed. That was pretty harsh.
Sorry, Rick. I gotta lay off the Yummy Yums bars.
It's all good, little man. My homie's got her back. Bird versus Squanchy, even reverse draft. Just a parasite. It's under control.
Good job, Rick.
Thanks, Mr. Booby Butthole. Get shreddy. Get shreddy. Yeah. Rick and Morty and Rick. Track number 2, New Brotos. Yeah. This is our song, motherfucker. Get shreddy.
Morty on the mic, and I'm high on Perginol. I'll set fire to this track before I fucking burn you all. You know, I may not be smart, but I've got a lot of heart. I make all the tough calls like the time I killed Fart.
Yeah, Morty, we'll do whatever it costs. Get that Mulan Szechuan teriyaki dipping sauce. Even if it means calling it Steel Team Rick. Just kidding. Lick my balls, you talentless dicks.
I'm the one true Morty, and that's a fact. Alone we aren't much, but we're strong as a pack. I'm the Mortiest Morty, and that makes me pretty awesome.
Careful, a cocky Morty can lead to some real problems. Let's take a break at Blitz and Chase. Watch your ball butler, it's the shit. Pest Patrol with Nickel Ray. Galactic crystals, give me a hit.
I survived the anatomy part, get on my level.
Let me tell you my bit, that we call me the devil.
Portal hopping every day.
It's my favorite hobby.
Shut the door.
Gross.
Can't you see that I'm squatting?
You couldn't trick me with a million-layered simulation. Can't do collapse the Galactic Federation. I've got a solution for any bad situation. Even Tiny Rick was a massive sensation. Get shreddy. Get shreddy. Yeah, motherfuckers. Rick and Morty rap. Yeah, season 3. Rick and Morty rap. Season 3. Rick and Morty. All day, all night. Only on Sunday nights, but yeah!
I like what you got. I will now subscribe to this YouTube